Hello there. Did you know that you can now make your digital board into a customer screen so that your customers know about the status of their orders? And you can do this from your My Takeaway application with just a few clicks. Here's what you need to do. When you're on the dashboard of the application, you click on the three horizontal lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen and you choose Settings. On the settings page, you choose Digital Board, which displays the various digital boards that have already been configured and set up at the store. You just choose the board which you like to make a change to, and on the next page, under View Type, you choose Customer Screen. Now, on the options that pop up at the bottom, you can configure the order type that is required to be displayed on the screen, and you can also make it into a split screen by toggling the split screen button on or off as per your choice. Once you've made the changes, you click on the tick sign on the top right-hand corner of the screen that saves your changes. Thank you.